You feel behind, and you cannot name the schedule you are late for. I'm going to show you how a timetable written for trains became the reason your whole life feels late, and by the final act, you'll realize you have been measuring yourself against a clock that was never built for a person. On one November morning in 1883, most American cities changed what time it was. That sounds impossible, but it happened, and it is the reason you check your age against other people's achievements. There is also a list, published in 2011, that turned your 20s into a deadline. Almost everyone feels behind. Not some people, almost everyone. The 22-year-old feels behind. So does the 35-year-old who has the job the 22-year-old wants. You have felt it in a quiet moment, scrolling, lying awake, at somebody's wedding, or in a conversation where someone asks what you are doing now, and suddenly your whole life feels like a progress report. Here is the strange part. If you try to name the deadline you missed, you cannot. There is no document. Nobody sent it to you. For most of human history, this feeling would have been almost impossible to have. In medieval Europe, an hour was not a fixed length. Daylight was divided into 12 hours regardless of the season, so a summer hour was genuinely longer than a winter one. How do you fall behind a schedule that changes shape every month? Two things had to be invented first. The first was the crowd. You did this today. You saw what someone had, and you measured. In 1954, the psychologist Leon Festinger described social comparison. People evaluate themselves by looking at others, especially when no objective standard exists. And there is no objective standard for a life. For almost all of human history, your reference group was the few hundred people you would ever meet. Now it is the planet, sorted by achievement. You are not more anxious than your ancestors. You are being compared to more people. The second invention was the schedule itself. In the 1960s, the sociologist Bernice Newgarten found that people carry a shared sense of age norms, a social clock, and describe themselves as on time or off time in their own lives. Where did that clock come from? Partly from school. Sit in a classroom, look around. Everyone is the same age, same grade, same exams, same timeline. It teaches you one idea, that a life is something you are supposed to complete on schedule. You learned that before you were old enough to question it. Nobody unlearns it. Now remember the morning in 1883. Before it, American towns kept their own local time, set by the sun overhead. Noon in one town was not noon in the next. That was fine, until railroads. A train cannot run on 100 different local noons. So on November 18, 1883, the railroads adopted standard time zones across the United States, and cities reset their clocks to match. It became known as the Day of Two Noons. The government did not make it law for another 35 years. It was not built for human emotions. It was built because machines needed precision. Here is the answer. Being late is an industrial idea. It requires a schedule that is external, shared, precise, and not yours. Your ancestors were handed a clock built for freight. Their descendants applied it to a life. You are not behind. You are being timed by something designed to keep cargo moving. Then it got faster. In 2001, a book by Alexandra Robbins and Abby Wilner named something people had felt without a word for it, the quarter-life crisis. In 2011, Forbes published its first 30 under 30 list. Achievement, printed next to age. A scoreboard where the number beside your name is the one thing you cannot change. And now you carry it in your pocket. Your feed shows you a 19-year-old and a 50-year-old in the same scroll, both at their best moment, with no dates attached. But you never see their timeline. You see the result, not the years before it, not the failures, not the luck. It is the same instinct from the foraging video, a system built to scan one small patch, pointed at the entire planet. So here is the part I saved for last. Before clocks and timetables, most people did not picture time as a line. They pictured it as a circle. Seasons, moons, floods that came back every year. In a circle, there is no behind. There are only seasons. Nobody asks a tree why it is not blooming in winter. Rivers do not arrive late because another river reached the ocean first. You are not late. You are in a different season than the person on your screen. Tell me in the comments, what is the one thing you thought you would have done by now, and who told you when? Because the question was never, why am I so late? The question is, who gave me this timetable? If this one landed, the foraging video is the other half of it. Same instinct, different century. And if you want the next hidden human mystery, you know where it'll be.